Hello and welcome again to free website hosting with Google Cloud course. In this video lecture, I will cover the introduction and theoretical part. So now we are going to discuss about hosting, types of hosting, and a little bit about cloud computing. So the first thing is that what is hosting? Well, in simple words, hosting is a home of a website. To make your website live on the internet, you will need to host your website's files and data on the physical computer system that is connected to the internet. These computers are called web server or hosting server. In these computer storage space, you can save your website's files and data. Not even storage, hosting companies also provides you other services like email services, file manager, FTP, adding or removing domains and subdomains, Apache server, and database services like phpMyAdmin. Well, there are three different types of hosting. The first one is shared hosting, second is dedicated server hosting, and the third one is VPS hosting. So now I'm going to explain all these types of hosting. The first one is shared hosting. Basically, shared hosting, one of the cheapest hosting service provided by web hosting companies. In this hosting, a single physical computer or physical server hosts multiple websites, or we can say a hosting service where a number of websites are hosted on a single computer server. It means all the resources of shared computers or servers such as bandwidth, space, database, FTP accounts, or email servers are shared by a number of websites hosted on a particular server. This hosting starts from $3 to $10 per month. Next, we have dedicated server hosting. Dedicated hosting is when you have an entire server is yourself. With dedicated hosting, you have full access to do whatever you want with it. You will get access to a greater level of server sources like bandwidth, space, database, FTP accounts, or email accounts. Also, you can optimize this server according to your website's requirements. Dedicated server hosting is expensive and it starts from $100 to $1,000 according to server specifications. So the third one is VPS hosting. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server or Virtualized Server. A VPS hosting environment mimics dedicated server within a shared hosting environment. It is basically both shared hosting and dedicated hosting. This technology is the same as a VirtualBox or VMware software. These softwares or programs allows you to run multiple operating systems on a one machine virtually. For example, if your desktop or laptop may be running on Windows 10, at the same time you can install or run another operating system like Linux or Windows 7. With same technology, the VPS hosting works. VPS hosting is less expensive as compared with dedicated hosting. Next we have cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services to provide the services like server, storage, database, networking, softwares, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. Cloud is a phrase which is used for internet, that's why it is an internet-based computing, which provides device on demand to shared computer processing resources and data. In this cloud market, there are a number of companies which are providing cloud computing services like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and Oracle Cloud. So at the last, in this lecture you have learned about hosting, types of hosting, and cloud computing as well. In the next lecture you will learn about introduction and sign up process on the Google Cloud Platform. So see you in the next video.